So today's adventure is the waterfalls in the Brecon Beacons. There's 4 waterfalls, so hopefully we'll find them. We are in the right place. We did see that there's an information board saying where we are. So yeah, it's a beautiful day today, so hopefully it'll be a good one.
Let's do it. We found the waterfall. One day. There it is.
Hey!
That one?
I think that's the first one. Glorious. Is it good, Bo?
Maybe not. Come in.
Not liking all these steep hills that we're walking down. This means we've got to walk back up them. Oh!
Having a break. Having a Kit Kat. So we've just stopped. I think he's having a pee in the woods. See if we can see him. Another steep hill to climb. These are the hills that we ran down on the way here. Simple enough. Bo's struggling. Come on, babes. You can do it. Oh.